Hello everyone. So, continuing with our multiplication series, today we are going to learn universal method. Okay, this method is applied to each and every question, numbers lower than 100 in the 1 series and 9 series which I taught you. That applies to only 11 and 99 in double digit and triple digit, but this method applies to all the questions below 100 in 2 digits. Okay, so let's take an example. So for the better understandability, because there is nothing in theory that I can tell you and you have to grab it, there is only practical knowledge. Okay, so what we have to do is make a 3 blocks same. Okay, now this is our first block, this is our second block, and this is our third block. Though I do need to write now because in the 2 series you have seen that what is our first, second and third block, but so that you can understand it better and don't get confused, I'll write it down. Now what you have to do in the first block is to multiply the lower and upper digit by each other, like 2 into 3. Okay, I'll be very slow so that you can understand it better. Okay, if you have to see this video on the 2x speed, you can, but I'll be little slow so that you can understand it. Okay, in the third block, again you have to multiply the last 2 digits by itself, like 1 into 4. Okay, now in the middle digit, I'll write a little down. You have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, I'll change my pen so that you can see it clear what steps I'm going to do. Okay, like 2 into 4 and 1 into 3. Okay, so 2 into 4, and you have to then add both the numbers, like simple addition and simple multiplication is taking place. Okay, so 2 into 4 and 3 into 1. Okay, now you have to just add both the numbers after multiplying. Okay, so let's move on. Let's see what we have to do. I'll make it clear for you. Okay, I'll change my pen. See now. Okay, again make a 3 block. Now in the third block, multiply the numbers 4 into 1, and in the first block 3 into 6. Okay, write it down. Now multiply 4 into 2 and 2 into 4 is the same, that is 8, plus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, now I told you we can't write 2 digits in one block, that is 8 plus 3 is 11 we are getting. So we will carry this 1 over to the next block. Fine, so we will be getting our answer, like 1 you will carry forward, so you will add over there. I told you in my first and second series that we cannot write 2 digits in one block whenever we are multiplying in 2 digits. Whenever we are doing the concept of 2 digits, we cannot write 2 digits in one block. So we got our answer 714. Okay, taking our next question, so that you can understand it better, there is nothing a big concept in this, just it needs a lot of practice. Okay, 71 into 52, and the third question I'll give you so that you do it by yourself. Now again make 2 blocks and try to do by your mind. Okay, I am solving by making blocks and all, but if you understood it, try to do it by mind. Okay, now in the first block, multiply the 2 digits, 7 into 5. Okay, 35 you will be getting, but 1 into 2 is 2 you will be getting here. Okay, I'll change my pen color so that you can see the steps clearer. Okay, now 7 into 2 is 14, plus 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, now making it steps clear, in the first block 2, in the middle block you will be getting 14 plus 5 is 19, and in the first block 35. Now you can see that there is no block to take that 3 into the next block, but you can take that 1 in 19 to the next block, right? So take this 1 over here and add under 5. So 35 minus 1 is 36. Okay, so your final answer will be 3692. Okay, I hope you understood. You can pause the video and rewind the video so that you can understand it better. Okay, now I will give you the third question. You have to do it by yourself. Fine. You can copy the question and pause the video, do it by yourself, and till the time I'll solve it for you, then we'll check the answer. Okay, our next question is 25 into 31. Okay, now pause the video and solve it by yourself. After that we'll check the answer. Okay, there is nothing big concept, I'm telling you. Only you have to do is practice. Okay, if your answer is not correct, do not need to be panic. Okay, just do not need to be panic. If you will practice, you can do it. Okay, and solve the worksheet I have given in the description. Okay, see, in the first block 5, in the last block 6, and in the middle block do the cross multiplication. So you will be getting 17. Take this one over to the next block, you will get 7, and your final answer will be 775. Okay, if your answer is not correct, do not need to be panic. You can rewind the video, watch all the concepts, and still you don't have understood anything, you can comment down below, I'll answer it. Okay, and there is a worksheet in the description. Solve it. There is a timestamp. Put the timer and do the worksheet. There is any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay, feel free to comment down and I'll answer it, all of your queries. Okay, I hope you like the video and watch all my series of multiplication, and put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming series. I hope you like the video.